All right, here's Sumplete. Can't use that 2 up there. Can't use the 9. Just gonna. Oh yeah, that's got to be that for 9. A little slow out of the gates here, but I think we'll pull it together. We're gonna need one of those 3s. We're gonna need that 4. There's those. There's that. Nope, wrong one. There's that. And there's our 5x5. All right, here's our 7x7. Got some easy eliminations there. Can't use the 2. Can't use the 8. We've got 14, 20, 27. We're going to have to use those. All right, we're just going to have to get rid of one of those 2s. Not sure which one yet. We got 12, 18, 28. Need to get rid of 8. Here we've got 14, 23, 30. Need to get rid of 5. Still a lot of options to get rid of 5, but we've got it a little narrowed down. Over here we've got 14 and we need 11 more. So we're going to need one of those 2 9s that remain. What do we got here? I think this is going to be a high number, but we'll see. We've got 16, 20, 25, 20, 33. So we got to get rid of 13. Could be 7 and 6 that we're getting rid of, 5 and 8 that we're getting rid of. A lot of options. I'm going to keep going through. Oh, this has got to be a 3 here. Does that help us yet? So we've got 5. I think we had to get rid of 8 over here. And there's... we can't get rid of the 6. And we can't get rid of the 4. Can't get rid of the 8. So that does narrow that down. Perfect. Over here we've got 10. 7 and 5 would get us to 12 more. Could also use those for 7. Let's keep the 5. Looks like we still have options over here. Still have options here. If we aren't using the 9, where are we at? We've got 8, 10, 13. We'd get rid of the 1. A few too many options. A few too many options. Still a lot of options. All right. So up here, we're going to use the 9 or the 7, but not both. Let's see if that narrows anything down. So if we use the 9, we'd use like a 4 and a 6. If we use a 7, we'd use a 6 and 6 or the rest. So that doesn't narrow anything down for us. Here's where this one gets a little bit hard, I think. What do we got over here? So we've got 13, 15, 20, 24. We've got to get rid of 10. Easiest would be to get rid of the 9 and 1. If we don't get rid of the 9, we've got 10 more from the others. We're for sure going to get rid of the 1, which resolves what we're doing down there. That then tells us we need this 3, and we're going to need one of these 4s. Then over here, this has to be the 9 now, which means this has to be one of those 4s. So we've got that locked in. We've got those. We've got those. And there's our daily 7x7.